Hey party people, welcome to part 5 of Basic 101 series, and today we are going to talk about some color vocabularies. Let's talk about tints and shades. So this is my color, and when I move this slider I will get the tint of this blue color. Tint is nothing but white plus color. When I move this third slider, I am giving this color a shade. Shade is nothing but color plus black. Tints and shades help in rendering highlights and shadows. When you add some white to any color, you are creating tint of that color, and when you are adding black instead of white, you are creating shade of that color. When I use both these sliders and make it a little bit gray, it means this is the tone of that color. Let me show you by making a square again. You can notice that this looks kind of grayish blue now. There is one more thing in addition to shades, tints and tones, which is called mutes. We'll talk about it in some time. Now let's talk about cool and warm colors. What are they? All these colors you see on the right side of the color wheel are warm colors, and the colors on the left side are cool colors. Blue is said to be the coolest color, and some other cool colors are green, light blue, violet, and the colors made using these colors. On the other hand, orange is said to be the warmest color. Other warm colors include red, yellow, and the colors made using these. When I increase this slider, third one, and take it to a little bit of gray and increase this second slider to say 10-20%, I get a warm gray. You can see a little bit of red in this. This is because red has become the undertone here. If my undertone is say blue, then it becomes a cool gray. So gray plus cool colors is cool gray, and with warm colors it is warm gray. You can notice here there is blue undertone. I'll tell you what are undertones in some time, but I think you might have a good idea now. So what are undertones? We sometimes name some colors like bluish green, orangish yellow, and something. So this orangish yellow means the yellow has an undertone of orange. It slightly has a color of orange. Here you can see when I mix red and blue, this creates a little bit of violet. There is a little bit of undertone of blue. You getting it? Let me show it once again. I'm first coloring blue, and then on top of it I'll color yellow, reducing the opacity, and you'll notice a little bit of green there. But this is not green. This is yellow with a undertone of blue. Also, when we mix yellow and blue, we create green, but there has to be equal amounts of yellow and blue. Then it creates green. My actual green is something like this. You can notice the difference between the two. Let's move on to the elements of the color. I always tell you guys to play with the values of a color. What is value? Value is lightness or high value or darkness or low value of a color. This is my color. When I make it light or say add white, I give it a high value. When I make it dark, I give it a low value. Getting it? I'll talk about saturation when we go on to mutes. Mutes are something that is used to desaturate a color. Now let's move on to the temperature, that is warmness or coolness of a color. You guys already know what are warm and cool colors. I'm going to use one warm, that is red, and one cool, that is blue color, and use yellow on it by reducing its opacity, and you'll notice the yellow on the red looks kind of warm and the one on the blue looks kind of cool. So let's move on to what is a mute. Mute is nothing but a color plus its complement. Complement of a color is nothing but the opposite color of one particular color. So for example, complement of red is green. This is something that you can notice on a particular color wheel. You can see yellow's complement is violet, blue's complement is orange, and red's complement is green. When you use two complementary colors, you can make a mute. We'll talk about some more color schemes in upcoming videos. I'm using green here and then layering some red on top of it. This will help me to desaturate a color. Desaturation means dulling a color. When I'm adding a layer of green on this red, you can notice it dulls red. This is called the mute of red. So now let's move on to saturation. So now you know what is dullness of a color and how you can use mutes. Brightness is how bright or intense a color is. So that is it for today. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next video.